In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right Audiolab app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So to get Audiolab app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for this Google Play Store app. It should be available on your Android smartphone, or if you can't see it, go under Google Tools here and find out if it is there. So once you have found Play Store, go ahead and using this search icon here, or if you can see the search bar, go ahead and tap on search here like that, and then just enter the name Audiolab as one, and to search for it, go ahead and tap on this search icon, and you can see we have the app here. If you tap on it, it will open the details. So it is from Lab, so make sure it is from this company to know that it's the right app. And at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.6 with over 304,000 reviews. And currently the file size of this app is approximately 24 MBs. And currently it has over 10 million downloads. So if you see these details, then you'll know that it is the right app. And here are the screenshots of its interface, and you can also see the app logo. To install it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Audio Editor and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open to start using it. Or now if you go to your apps, now you should be able to see Audiolab app available. From here, proceed and tap on it to open, and this is the home interface of Audiolab app. So that's how you can download and install the right Audiolab app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.